For a higher power extra, so now should I make Kai yourself subscribe to your YouTube channel? No, now what share, now what comment to your videos? No, so the Diane and then so ya Saji Eja and Sema is sincerely been a boa no, I a day Baba Sumo. Now, any idea seen the cry the edition cry a year Reverend Apostle Sam Krankye Ankrah and a branch will be a friend of Kojo. So for Kojo Bentil, a day attempt the DN70 Diaboran Sembi and Maneno. Nane Sama Wakan Yana say, a year so free a day and Sembi at to them, him like why a DB a Tiana mammy and mamma and no hunty a buffo and a or day a casa say, Eddie Diaboran 70 attempt the DN7 and Mane so free. Na young corner young cotia and Semino near or ye any being na young corner young crochet.
We are seeking justice. And nobody from the Christian Council, no pastor, no bishop, archbishop should come and say ceasefire. See, I'm ready to cease fire. Even before I started, I was seizing fire. I said I'm coming after you. And the reason why I'm coming after you is because you did something against my family. You did something against my mother. Should I mention the cars? Should I mention the cars that was bought for you? And it will cost you to do a lot before you can get me to react. This one I'm not reacting, no. I'm attacking some Ankrah. If God is the creator, if God created the same God, you see, I'm not even mentioning my gods. The same God you mentioned, the same Bible you use, which we all know what is behind it now. I didn't come for that. But if the God in your church and Jesus that died for your congregation, that died on your cross, if Jesus is alive, and if this Jesus is a man of truth, and if this God is alive, and he is who he is, I know my God too. This is Onyamekesi, he's coming for you. Tobe Yibla is coming for you. Ra is coming for you. This is, they are coming. You will not know peace. But this one, also Kojo Bentil, I am coming for you. For doing this in my house. You lifted a horn and said the horn stands for justice. Oh, tell me, I'm in challenge, sir. I'm in challenge, sir. As I said, but I'm also, as I said, but I'm as I said, but I'm also. I won't wait to wait saying, I'm not making, sir. I won't wait to wait saying, I'm not making, sir. I won't wait to wait saying, I'm not making, sir. Ankrah say, Apostle General, say, if you say the horn represents justice, then let justice come for you. This is not Pelebocho. He's a God of justice. He's a God of the land. If you walk on the land, if you're barefoot, step on any land, and you haven't come to do the needful, to do the right thing, let this legs never know rest on any land you step on. Some Ankrah, some Ankrah has done a thing against my family. I'm not ready to say anything. Because if I say it, all the congregation will leave. I know pastors that have left your church because they have seen this coming. I'm not going to go into details. This video is not for details. This video, I'm only praying. Some Ankrah. Botoko. Some Ankrah. Botoko. Some Ankrah. If Ankrah says he has not wronged my mother, if some Ankrah will say he did not do what he did, leave him alone. Let him go scot-free. Let nothing. But I know he has done it. I know he did it. Listen, come, let's talk peace. You know my mother's number. Come, let's talk peace. If you don't come for peace to be said, the next 49 days is me and you in this country. If what I'm saying is true, if I'm in the right, accept this. If I'm in the wrong, if what I'm doing is wrong, if some Ankrah is innocent, don't accept this. Don't accept this one. Don't accept it. Some Ankrah, come father, you make it ready. If some Ankrah is innocent, don't accept this. If he is not innocent, Bochoko, accept this. Everybody is watching. Grandfather, he's not innocent. That's what they've lied. He's not innocent. That's what they've accepted. He's not innocent. So Kankancha, you are not innocent. You are not innocent. You are not playing. You see, me, I was nice. I said, come, let's sit down. Even my sister don't want to see your face. But I said, come, let's sit down. I've spoken to myself. Let's sit down, deal with this situation behind closed doors. You think you have Jesus. We all know what is behind your church. You think you have Jesus. Now I'm going to witches. See, witches will frustrate you till you come and tell the truth. If you come behind closed doors, and we sort out this issue, I'll never mention your name again. But if you don't come, and this, I'm feeding the God in charge of witchcraft. And I'm telling the God in charge of witchcraft that if some Krankye is innocent, leave him alone. But if some Krankye is not innocent, from today, frustrate him till he speaks the truth. Or he comes to see the family for us to do what is needful. Oh, okay, I tell you, said you what I want. I tell you, said you, and I said, but I'm packed, medicine. I pay you for Muslim, I pay you for to me, Nana. I will not die if you know. Nana, by the Sam Krankye can is in a muluboy. Sam Krankye Ankrah. The only thing you will do that I will be pissed is when you come after my family. Or when I discover you've done something against my family. Or when I discover you've done something against a member of Ankrah. Or a member of the Chrome. You see, this earth will not contain us. So if some Krankye is innocent, they won't come and take this chicken. But if some Krankye is not innocent, they will come and take this chicken from my hands. The God of witchcraft. The God of witchcraft will not let this chicken live. If some Krankye is telling the truth, they will let him live. They will let this chicken live. Oh. You see, they are coming. They are coming for the chicken. If some Krankye is telling the truth, they will let this chicken live. Oh. But if he is not innocent, and he did what I know, if you are afraid, because you are afraid to come to my father's shrine. My father called you home, you are afraid to come to his shrine, so we talk about this thing. So, send me your location, I'll come myself. Ankrah. Send me your location. Witches of witchcraft, gods of witchcraft, the godhead of witches. If some Ankrah is innocent, let this chicken live. The God of witchcraft. If some Ankrah is innocent, let this chicken live. God of witchcraft. If some Ankrah is innocent, let this chicken live. If some Ankrah is not innocent, take it away. And as you take it away, let the authority of witchcraft see. And how do they say it? Authority of witchcraft. Let it frustrate some Krankye till you come to the house. You don't come to my house and come and mess around. And you see, the funny thing is, when these things were happening, I wasn't around. I asked my mother to call you. When we call you, you don't pick. When Pastor C calls, Pastor C has sent you videos of me, letting you know, I won't let this matter rest. I don't have time for court, police, whatever. I don't have time. This is a spiritual matter. If I don't have nothing, nothing would happen. Your church members will go score. If I don't have nothing, nothing will happen. You see, they've come to take the chicken. Who say power no day? They've come to take the chicken. Say power no day. Let the gods of witchcraft come and take it. Where are you? And let them frustrate you. Let them frustrate Ankrah till you come home. I say, in a week's time, Monday today, if we haven't heard from you, I'm coming with a net. I will keep opening the thing. I will keep opening the thing up. If your church members know better, they should be aware. They should be sure. They know who they are defending before they come and insult anybody here. Me, I don't care about insult. What I'm doing, I will do it. The only how I will stop doing it is when he has come to see, he has called my mother, that you know what, let's talk about this peacefully. The number of people in Ghana who knows this issue, when I mention it, will shock you. I didn't want to embarrass you from Ankrah. I don't want to say anything again. They have come to take the chicken now. Where is the life? They've come to take it. If I was lying, they would have never said, did you see me use any knife? If I'm lying, they would have never come to take any chicken. But because what I'm saying is true, that's why they've come to take it. Gunpowder. You're going to feed the witches now. Huh? I'm going to feed them. When you're going into a house to do, you see, the sad thing is that she took care of you. And you didn't have a car. She took care of you when you did. And you do this to us. Huh? You do this to us. I'm done.
So for Kojo Bentil na yetin and K, a ye duaboran sem ne atemdidia wodidi, a Reverend Sam Krankye Ankrah wada Royal House Chapel ano, and na yeti na ene celebrate we twa akukwo yi watinity crafri so was say ni ebesi bia ensi why na adwe say the odebeye software bia wodebeye wahye ne sapo mu nsuo pa Neni abriye pa. It's a soft ya man na say I'm a panacho dia. The odebeye ni bia wodebeye no. Ebusia ha ene ede nsem ni besi. Me amedi dwumedi ebro me diane na na menhra.